Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the AM Silver Bullet on September 12th. And before I do, I want to tell you that if you join the Discord group, it's a free Discord group that's down below in the description here. There's the link. You join the Discord group. If you go in there, you can see under the announcements, under the announcements is the Kraken Silver Bullet indicator. Now you want to make sure you hop in that thread and say, yes, I want to be a beta tester as well. And then when I give you a thumbs up, that means you're going to get access to the Silver Bullet indicator. It's free as part of the beta group. The indicator is going to be really awesome because it does everything that I've been showing in my videos for the Silver Bullet. But I also threw in a few other things that indicators that I personally use to help me learn price action. And so I have added some of those to the indicator as well, and it's going to be free, but I'm only going to give it to people in the group that join the Discord group. So it's an invite only script. So if you want to do it, join the Discord below in the description. All right, so first thing I see here, we're going to go candle by candle, and we get started here. This is the 10 o'clock hour in the dark gray, and we have buy side liquidity taken, right? Came up, and now we're trading into this fair value gap. Let's mark that on the chart. So what does price do, right? Price trades from external to internal to external, which is again above old highs, so above an old swing high right here. And now we're trading down. So we're seeing that if this can be taken out, so that way we can see a market structure shift. Now this dark gray dashed line is the 8:30 opening price. This red line is the Sunday opening price. And let's go. Let's see what happens here. All right, that's a nice little order block right there. Yeah. Got relatively equal lows here. I'd like to see it break through there. There you go. Then that could be a market structure shift. Don't need a candle close necessarily. We would like to see that ideally, but it's not required for a market structure shift. So there you go. We have break of structure. Now if it comes back, there's no fair value gaps in here. The only thing you got is an order block here. So let's just keep going here. Let's see if it comes back up or creates another further low. Okay, so from here, as it's starting to pull back, I was kind of waiting to see if it was going to make another further down low or not, see how far it was going to go. But now that it's retracing, that's when you want to pull your fib. Pull your fib from the high to the low. The red line here is equilibrium. So anything above equilibrium, you're in a premium, and that's where you want to go short. Anything below 50% is in discount, and that's ideally where you'd like to go long. Do you always have to do that? No. Is it preferred? Yes. Does it give you a better, more higher probability trade setups? Yes. So we look back up in our premium. All we really have is this order block right here, and in optimal trade entry, which is right in line with that order block. So anything in here, we're taking a short. Okay. All right, that's good right there. You get in right there. That would be a good trade right up. That's where I would have my. I'm gonna do that. Sell right there. The reason I'm selling right there is because I would have had my limit order right at the bottom, and that actually closed right at the bottom, so that's perfect. And where would I put my position? Well, I'd have it here, right at the bottom here. Let's move that right there. Okay, and then have your stop, one tick above the high here. I mean, ideally you go here, but 3 handles is perfectly acceptable for me. If you really want to be safe, you can go above this high over here, because then you're really wrong. But I'll just go with 3 right here, and then we're aiming for this low. So where's the draw? We're going to aim for this low, right? And let's see if we get right here, right there. Okay. So sold 2 there. Where would I take a partial? Probably this order block right here. This one right here. I'll probably take it right in here somewhere. So let's see. Candle by candle. Let's go. See how the candle bodies aren't even hitting constant encroachment? It might be right here, but we'll see. I don't think so. Okay. And the candle close. I'm gonna say that's about 60%. So, I'll take one off because that's about where I like to usually take a partial. So let's gonna buy one there. And then let's keep going. And there you go. We're out. I'm gonna make sure to get a close down there so I can kind of, okay, that's close enough. That's closer than these are if you lost too much. So right there is our silver bullet trade set up. Let's see how much further it goes. I know a lot of people may be asking, hey, if there's a fair value gap here, would you take a trade right now? Well, let's move our fib to low to this high right here. It's right there. But what's my target? Am I targeting this Sunday price? I'm not looking for another short. I got 9 handles out of that last trade on the full pull and probably 6 on the 60%. So I'm good. $737 for the day. I'm happy with. I'll just watch price action. See how it goes. Did we get down to that? We didn't. Okay. Did we get it? Oh, okay. All right, let's see how this was here. All right, let's take the short off. Let's explain it, and let's go with show our original. Okay. All right, price for the 10 o'clock silver bullet hour. We saw that buy side liquidity has been taken. Price came down, hit this fair value gap, came back up, and then we started the silver bullet hour. So we were looking for shorts, but we wanted to see where we were at. So we waited. It broke this for a market structure shift, and then we pulled our fib from high to low. Find out that equilibrium was here. We're above equilibrium. We looked and we saw that there's really no fair value gaps up here. There's just an order block. Well, the order block lined up perfectly in a optimal trade entry zone. So we took a short, and then our target was this low here. So we took it, and 60% we took our partial, and then we got our full TP. And that was your silver bullet for Tuesday, September 12th.